Bob, I would say success for the first block party versus the parade.
That's a good point. It's kind of making lemonade out of lemons. And the bad was the fact that, we didn't have a parade. But I think actually this did better than the parade. The reason being is the parade lasts about an hour and a half. Everyone's watching it and then goes.
That's true.
And traffic's a nightmare because everyone leaves at the same time.
At the same time, you're right.
This one, duration, people, I tell you, it was packed down there. And
I'd personally rather attend a block party than a parade.
Right.
It's more fun. You
I
can
got a
talk
chance to meet some of the drivers. They were sitting, in fact, Alex and Ani.
Yeah, from the live shot, you signed the boat.
Yeah, everyone was signing the boat.
That's
and
very
that was
cool.
Just great. And they have a shop right here, too, so they were local.
Bracelets.
And they came down from Rhode Island. That's where they're housed. And anyway, it was a lot of fun.
Looked like fun, yeah.
Sometimes I like that better than the races.
Well, I know. You can, because you can chat with everyone.
Yeah, absolutely. Casey Key webcam showing a beautiful day where the racers will be out on that water, not right there, but off Lido. And that begins tomorrow and continues on Sunday. And yes, looks like Miss Geico is there, and they'll be racing against Alex and Ani, and that should be a lot of fun because they're in the same class. Casey Key webcam shot a nice right there at the end, right around 9:10 tonight. Earlier this afternoon, some fair weather cumulus clouds. Norm Schimmel sending that one in. Manatee and Dennis, as the sun was setting, we get some clouds off in the Gulf. Not much rain that made its way through. And by the way, the weather couldn't have been better for this festival. Really, festivities have been really quite nice. The 4th of July for the big fireworks along the coast anyway should be okay. Temperatures will be warm, but it's not going to be as dicey when it comes to the showers and storms that'll be around. There could be a few around, but not nearly as many as there normally is each and every year. That can cause some problems. Now, storms in central Florida could be an issue on Monday night, but that'll be mainly moving to the east. Right now, there was one lone shower. I zoomed in here earlier about 10 minutes ago because there was a shower that popped up just to the east of MacDill Air Force Base. That has since dissipated for the most part. There's a little surface boundary, if you will, traveling to the west right now. Some showers are possible out in the Gulf of Mexico with water temperatures at 90 degrees. That just aids in the showers and the storms, especially in the morning hours. But for the time being, the storms inland are winding down. Now, we do have quite a bit of moisture in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere currently, although there is still some dry air to the north of that now, and some of that could filter in over the weekend. So we'll keep our rain chances fairly small for this time of year. Normally they're at 50% or even better. 88 degrees, the heat index. It was a little bit toasty downtown. Dew point 74, winds are out of the east at 3, and the pressure 30.10, and that is rising right now. The high today was a couple degrees above average at 92. Our low this morning was 3 degrees above the average at 78. Both those numbers will be similar tomorrow and looks like through Sunday and Monday. No rainfall to report first day of this month, and temperature statewide 70s. Orlando had a lot of rainfall today, so did Disney World, 77 there. 81 in Miami now, and temperatures in the mid 80s at this hour, making it feel more like around 90 with the dew point temperature into the low to mid 70s. Well, pretty nice day tomorrow. Showers and storms again. Central Florida pushing to the east. A chance for a few coastal showers, but not much. And then Sunday morning again, here's 4:30. A few showers along the coast in the morning hours, and then mainly inland storms in the afternoon and evening. That pattern will continue on into July 4th, or Independence Day, if you will. And it looks as though this trough of low pressure, which has been rather persistent from the Atlantic, stretching across North Florida and then into the Gulf of Mexico, is still going to be around. And it will kind of suppress this high pressure ridge over Cuba, which gives us that west to southwest wind flow. Temperature is pretty cool in Toronto and in Detroit and Cleveland, 68 degrees there into Cleveland. Southwest winds for boaters. There'll be a lot of boating out there this weekend, so keep that in mind. And the good news is there won't be a lot of storms that'll be around, but if there are any storms that do pop up, the winds and seas could be a little higher, but generally seas less than 2 feet on Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. Water temperature, there it is, bathwater warm at 90 degrees, and the UV index will be high at 10. High tide 12:48, low tide will be at 4:52, another low tide tomorrow at 1:48 in the afternoon. Scattered storms are possible out in the Gulf of Mexico, otherwise warm, 78 for a low. Tomorrow, if you're heading to the beaches, looks like pretty good weather, really. A slight chance for a morning shower, and then mainly inland storms in the afternoon. The extended forecast calls for beautiful weather. A little bit warm, but beautiful all the way through the next 7 days. I think we'll get back to more of those afternoon and evening storms on Wednesday, and that should continue through Friday.